The Sino-American West UAV is a 3-engine independently developed by China. It has a length of 10 meters, a length of 20 meters, a maximum range of 8,000 kilometers, a metric time of about 40 hours, and a maximum load of 1.2 tons. It can be hung on missiles, bombs, electric bullets, hanging guns, etc., which have been adjusted by a large number of double-position West UAVs. It has become a star weapon in residents' hearts. So how strong is the strength of China's commercial drones? First of all, the two-person aircraft uses the Lanjin, independently developed by our country. This is a light-traveling common ground missile with a weight of about 50 kilograms and a range of about 60 kilometers. It has high accuracy and penetration and can effectively attack the fixed or moving target of the party. This kind of missile also has hidden characteristics and is difficult to be intercepted by the side. A twin-tailed Western UAV has a long range and strong firepower, which can cover most areas around our country and effectively attack the enemy. The maximum range of UAV between China and the United States can reach 6,000 kilometers, which means that it can fly directly to the Central Pacific Ocean or the Central Indian Ocean after taking off from Chinese mainland and perform missions there. However, what worries people is, if this drone is exported to other countries, will it pose a threat to China itself? Earlier, Turkey questioned China's export products because they found in the experiment that the drones exported by China to them were close to China, and the borderline would automatically turn its direction. No matter how the operator operates it, it is useless. As soon as this news came out, it caused a big wave all over the world. Is this true? First of all, let's see if it is technically feasible. The drones currently exported by our country are mainly Yikai-Hong and Dajiang, among which Dajiang is mainly used for civilian use. UAVs are inseparable from satellite navigation during flight. The drones we export must use the Beidou satellite navigation system. Beidou satellite navigation can be used to control the drones and flight range. The drones we export are shown all over the world and have the highest cost performance. We get the unmanned ones we export. The agency points its muzzle at us. So how can it be done? As one of the countries with the largest land area in the world, China faces security challenges. Various military equipment is one of the important means to safeguard national interests in these challenges. The drones exported by China have enabled many poor countries to realize the freedom of drones. Many countries in Africa did not have air forces before. Some countries used helicopters as the main battle weapons of their air forces. Some Chinese drones will only have aircraft that can fly to 10,000 high altitudes. Even if there is a backdoor, they won't care.